Good evening, brothers and sisters. It is currently 5:33 p.m. Central Standard Time on January 17th, and we are looking at another event going on over here just off the Philippines. We've got another buoy in event mode. Looks like we got a strike right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the station. And this is it right here, South Philippine Sea. We definitely got a strike right here. See if we can barrel down on this. Yep, that's a pretty significant big strike there. Oh, that's not good. The whole thing, it looks like it's an event. So something happened out here. Let's go check out some volcanoes and earthquakes, see if we had any activity. We did have a small one right here, 3.0 in the Philippines, literally right on our what do you call it? Deadgummit. I am so brain farting right now. Our continental plate shift, and then we had another one which was a 3.4. How long ago was this? At 0.02. So this was literally just after midnight UTC, and this one happened 21 minutes ago. Let's check our buoy time. About time of the strike. So after the 17th. So okay, it was probably. Yeah, it was probably the one that was down here. Right here, 21 minutes ago. Yeah, more than likely it was this guy. Yeah, that's where this one was. Yeah, that'd be about 21 minutes ago. So, yeah, that's not exactly a good thing. So, we're hoping everybody can try and stay safe out there. So, please be warned, if you know anybody out in the Philippines, in that area, let them know. And actually, I would even go as far as to say, if you happen to know anybody elsewhere, because I mean, we saw what happened with Tonga. It was a decent little tsunami, and everybody was like, "Uh-oh." I mean, I know I was. So try and stay safe out there, folks. We're gonna go check something else out. Actually, looks like here in Hawaii, we've got another buoy station going off. Oh my gosh, family in Hawaii, please stay safe. Get away from the shores. I got a lot of family out there, being Hawaiian and all. Looks like we had a secondary strike. We had this one here from Tonga, believe it or not, yesterday, and it came all the way up here and it hit Hawaii, which should be alarming to just about everybody, I think. So yeah, between the 15th and the 16th it hit, and then we had another one go off in Hawaii. Oof, let's go check this baby out. And here we are over by Kuala. Oh, yeah, the Big Island. That's not good. It's a large population right there. Yeah, this is definitely a decent spike here too. My goodness gracious. Oof, that's not good. Looks like it's a pretty long event. So if you happen to be out in Hawaii, please stay safe. Over on ETN News, I actually happened to have seen that he actually was out here looking at this particular buoy right here, and he has a different possible take on it than what I might. And when he pulls it up, and you come here to the buoy, and then you can come down here and click on the photos. Well, let me tell you what, they've already changed the photos. Luckily, I got it in time. But these are the photos that he got. And anyone can go here and anyone can access this, but do you see this right here? There's something in the water right here. Okay, and you can clearly see this is the sky up here. Look at how this is a pretty decent sized wave. I mean, if this here is the horizon, look at the angle. It's not going flat. Now, granted, you're out in the middle of the ocean, but I mean, it goes very sharply up here, like very sharply, and then something is disturbing the water right here, and also looks like possibly something here and here. This could be a volcanic burp, from what he was saying, possibly a volcanic burp. But I mean, this ain't like it's some kind of like a dolphin. No, this is very large, whatever this item is. And then you come over here, and it's they've darkened the photo out, which is crazy. But actually, if you look right in here, there looks like there's two balls right here. Almost. I don't know how bright that is for you guys, but. And then over here to the next one, you can clearly see there's a nice large lump of something coming up here, and obviously this is water, but And the next one, dark again. And then you come over here and look at this. This almost looks like steam coming off. Almost. I'm not 100% sure. And then this one's dark. Yep, so there's something going on out in the Atlantic Ocean. Now, there's a movie a long time ago, and it had to do with the Atlantic Ocean, and I must see if I can bring that up for us. Now, this is a movie from 1989. It's called The Abyss, and I actually found exactly what I was looking for. They go down right out on the edge of the of a very deep cliff. I think it's the crap. What's the name of that big old trench? I can't remember. Mariana Trench, whatever. Anyways, moral of the story is at the bottom of this deep trench is this alien city of different beings, water people, and they have this huge city. And now this guy ends up diving way down to try and disarm a nuke, and ends up on the surface of the with these people, these other beings, and they actually take him to their city. And this city is in the Atlantic Ocean, obviously. So here we're actually going to go down. Now, this city ends up coming to the surface. Okay? Look at these pillars. These are gigantic ships. Okay? They're all gigantic ships, and look at the size of these pillars that come up out of the water. Could we possibly be seeing something along that line going on? I mean, is it possible? Could it be an Atlantis tower coming up, like here and here, about to surface? No, it's very possible. I'm not going to rule that out whatsoever, because truth is stranger than fiction. Now, I happened to be catching one of Michael Sala's videos today on YouTube, and he was actually talking to a gentleman who's been doing a lot of top secret government projects, and one of them happens to be going to a very large donut-shaped spacecraft right above the Bermuda Triangle, and from there they take an elevator down, so they call it, or beamed down, whatever, to another to an arc, what they called an arc. And he's been to 3 arcs, I guess, and he said that they have a bluish, purplish glow to them, to the walls. Bluish and purple. Well, you know what? Truth is definitely stranger than fiction. There's a lot of things we need to start thinking about, the movies that we've seen, and start thinking, could they have been telling us the truth all along, and we were just too busy going, oh, well, this is cool, this is fun, to not realize they're actually telling us what's going on? Food for thought, folks. Anyway, stay safe out there, folks. If anything else happens, I will let you know. I'll probably do a breakdown of another movie between tonight and tomorrow, and we'll have another food for thought breakdown. Have a good day, and remember, love is the only way forward.